It's lunchtime. We collect our lunch boxes.
Seaweed, biscuits, cucumber, and my sandwich. I have pepperons, seaweed.
Some of us have the same things.
Me and Gracie have the same potato stick.
Some of us have different things.
My favourite thing is the pretzels. My favourite thing is my egg.
My chocolate chip biscuit is my favourite.
Some things we dream of having.
My perfect lunch would be all candy. My perfect lunch would be schnitzel, biscuits, cucumber and kiwi fruit.
But we also love healthy food.
I would have broccoli for every day. My favourite healthy food is peas.
We all have water.
Oh, my water! I would never do.
After lunch, we put our rubbish in the bin.